Yung shape mismo ng puzzle, it's like a soccer ball, no? So, how to open this, no? As you can notice, no, lahat ng mga sides yan, may mga player except for one side, which is this one. I think this is the goalkeeper, no? So, pag pinindot mo to, push up, makikita nyo na magpo-pop up tong top part na to. Ayan, di ba? Next is to look for this side. It says go. And kailangan mong ilagay siya dito sa number 1 na to, which is yung may start. Ito, kita nyo, inside may 1, no? So, you have to place the go doon sa start na side. Ayan, tapos may 1. Next is, you look for the image or illustration dito sa baba. And makikita nyo yung player is kicking the ball towards our right. So, hanapin mo from 1, hanapin mo yung side na may number 2. 3 yan, so hindi yan. So, look for number 2. Ito yung number 2. Place the ball here sa number 2. And makikita nyo sa side naman na to, soccer player, sinipa yung bola towards our left. So, from 2, transfer mo yung ball sa number 3. Ayan, no? Tapat mo sa 3. And finally, makikita nyo, dun sa illustration na to, i-kick niya yung ball towards the goal, which is this one. So, you have to move the ball on this side. Ayan. Tapos, pag nagawa mo na yan, mabubuksan mo na yung secret compartment and inside it says champion. Yun lang.